The year is 1519, and across the vast expanse of the Atlantic Ocean, two worlds are about to collide in a confrontation that will reshape the course of human history forever. On one side stands the mighty Aztec Empire, a civilization of breathtaking complexity, architectural wonder, and military prowess that has dominated Mesoamerica for nearly 2 centuries, and on the other, a small band of Spanish conquistadors led by a man whose ambition knows no bounds, Hernán Cortés, a figure who will become both hero and villain depending on which side of history one chooses to stand. The story of the fall of the Aztec Empire is not simply a tale of conquest and defeat. It is a narrative woven with threads of diplomacy and betrayal, of cultural misunderstanding and calculated manipulation, of prophecy and coincidence, of disease and warfare, of love